Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Carroll County in north-central Maryland, northwestern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Westminster, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Pikesville, Cotkiesville, Westminster, Towson, Boynes Mills, Reisterstown, Mays Chapel, Timonium, Hampstead, Hampton, Manchester, Motherville, Timonium, Lovettville, New Windsor, Finksburg, Carrollton, Upperco, Riderwood, Brooklynville, and Uniontown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunder